Anyways, bought a bunch of scrap. As you can see, like 14 vehicles. Jesus fuck. Thrasher. Wow. That's insane. Those are... Sawzall. Sawzall. When in doubt, sawzall it out. Fuck it. I'm coming. Ah. Yes. Look at this fucking nice land. Oh, pictures of my truck. Yeah. Day 2 at it. Doing some work on that one. He's pulling some wiper cowls off that one. It's a good day. Nice weather. Fuck yeah. Today we're out here removing this box, but gotta clear all the snow out of it first before I can get to the bolts. Got my kid with me, kind of helping me out, you know, just, you know, being the lead hand, I guess. Whatever. But yeah, we're getting there. Found a somewhat of a mint tailgate, I guess, for whatever purposes. Just fucking rocking out over there, aren't you? Bang. She's here. Did some scrap today. It's on a Thursday. Look at that. Okay. Look at this big girl. Doing loader things. Never really tried this, so it's hard. Pretty sweet. So we got the excavator here now. We're waiting for Buddy to get back with the dump trailer. This is gonna be the first load. I got to try out the fucking excavator, which was pretty sweet. Just used it for like one vehicle there. It was pretty sweet. Anyway. Oh yeah. It is what it is. I basically split the fucking car in half. Been trying to get it off for an hour now. So it got stuck on the rear mount here, ripped everything apart here. I guess the trailer's staying here. Had to rip my tint off. He said he's not pulling my plates on my truck because I have my kid. God bless for kids.
At dawn, girls waiting there to suck me off.